Amazon QuickSight Online Training. Introduction to Amazon QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight is a scalable, serverless business intelligence by service offered by AWS. It enables users to easily create and share interactive dashboards and visualizations for data analysis. Here's a brief overview of its key features. Key features: data integration. Data sources connects to various data sources, including AWS services, example Amazon S3 RDS, Redshift, Athena, and external sources, example Salesforce, SQL databases. Data preparation provides data preparation tools such as data cleaning, transformation, and joining. Visualization and analysis. Interactive dashboards create interactive dashboards with a wide range of visualization options like charts, graphs, and tables. Ad hoc analysis perform ad hoc queries and analysis using a simple drag-and-drop interface. Scalability and performance. Serverless architecture automatically scales to handle varying amounts of data and user traffic without requiring infrastructure management. Spice Engine uses a fast, in-memory calculation engine called Spice, superfast, parallel, in-memory calculation engine to deliver quick data insights. Collaboration and sharing. Dashboards sharing. Share dashboards with users or groups and manage access controls. Embedded analytics. Embed dashboards and visualizations into your applications and websites. Machine learning insights. ML Insights integrates with AWS machine learning services to provide predictive insights and anomaly detection. Cost-effective. Pay-as-you-go. Pricing is based on usage with no upfront costs or long-term commitments. Use cases. Business performance tracking. Monitor and analyze key business metrics. Sales and marketing analysis. Visualize sales trends, marketing campaign effectiveness, and customer behavior. Operational insights. Track operational metrics and improve efficiency. Key features of Amazon QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight is a scalable, cloud-powered business intelligence by service designed to deliver insights through interactive dashboards and visualizations. Here are some of its key features. Scalability. QuickSight scales automatically to accommodate any size of data and user base, from small teams to large enterprises. Interactive dashboards. Users can create and interact with dashboards and reports, including filtering and drilling down into data for detailed insights. Data integration supports a variety of data sources, including Amazon Redshift, RDS, S3 Athena, and third-party databases, along with built-in data connectors for services like Salesforce and Excel. Spice, superfast, parallel, in-memory calculation engine. A high-performance in-memory engine that enables fast querying and analysis of large datasets. Machine learning insights provides machine learning-powered insights and anomaly detection without needing a data science background. Visualizations offers a wide range of visualizations, including charts, graphs, heat maps, and more, to help users represent data effectively. Customizable dashboards. Users can customize dashboards with interactive controls, such as drop-down menus, sliders, and date pickers. Embedded analytics. allows integration of analytics into applications or websites, providing end users with in-app analytics. Collaboration facilitates collaboration by enabling users to share dashboards and reports with other team members or stakeholders. Security includes built-in security features like encryption, access control, and integration with AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM) for managing permissions. Natural language queries supports natural language querying, enabling users to ask questions in plain English and receive insights without writing complex queries. Cost-effective offers a pay-as-you-go pricing model with options for both session-based and spice-based pricing, allowing businesses to control costs based on their usage. Getting started with Amazon QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight is a cloud-based business intelligence by service that allows you to create interactive visualizations, perform ad hoc analysis, and generate business insights from your data. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting started with Amazon QuickSight. 1. Set up an AWS account. If you don't already have an AWS account, you'll need to create one at AWS Management Console. 2. Access Amazon QuickSight. Sign into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the QuickSight service by typing QuickSight in the search bar or finding it under the Analytics section. 3. Create a QuickSight account. If it's your first time using QuickSight, you will need to set up your QuickSight account. Click on Sign up for QuickSight and follow the instructions to configure your account. 4. Choose your edition. QuickSight offers 2 editions, Standard and Enterprise. Select the one that fits your needs. Standard Edition, ideal for small to medium-sized teams with basic buy needs. Enterprise Edition includes advanced features such as Active Directory integration and additional security and compliance features. 5. Connect data sources. Click on Manage Data to connect to data sources. QuickSight supports a variety of data sources, including AWS data sources like Amazon S3 RDS, Redshift, and Athena databases, and third-party data sources. Set up the connection by entering the required credentials and configurations. 6. Create data sets. Once connected to your data source, you need to create data sets. Go to Datasets and choose New Dataset. Select your data source and choose the tables or data you want to analyze. Optionally, you can prepare your data by filtering, joining, or transforming it. 7. Build Analysis. Click on Analysis and then New Analysis. Choose a data set you created earlier. Use QuickSight's drag-and-drop interface to create visualizations such as charts, graphs, and tables. Customize visualizations by adding filters, aggregations, and formatting options. 8. Create dashboards. Once your analysis is complete, you can create dashboards to share with others. Click on Dashboards and then Create Dashboard. Add your analysis visualizations to the dashboard. Customize the layout and interactivity of the dashboard. Data integration and preparation in QuickSight. In Amazon QuickSight, data integration and preparation are essential for creating insightful visualizations and analyses. Here's a breakdown of how you can handle these tasks. 1. Data integration. Data sources. QuickSight supports various data sources, including AWS data services like S3, RDS, Redshift, on-premises databases, and third-party sources like Salesforce, Google Analytics. Data connectors. Use QuickSight's built-in connectors to directly pull data from these sources. You can set up connections using a wizard that guides you through authentication and configuration. Spice, superfast, parallel, in-memory calculation engine for better performance. Import your data into Spice. This allows you to run queries and generate reports quickly without directly querying the source every time. 2. Data preparation. Data sets. Once data is connected, you can create data sets in QuickSight. This involves selecting tables or views and configuring how data is loaded and transformed. Data cleaning. You can perform basic data cleaning operations like filtering out unnecessary data, renaming columns, and transforming data types directly within QuickSight. Data transformation. Use the data preparation tools to perform operations such as joins, aggregations, and calculated fields. QuickSight allows you to create calculated fields using a wide range of functions, example, mathematical, statistical, date-time functions. 3. Data visualization. Visual types. After preparing your data, you can create various visualizations such as bar charts, line graphs, heat maps, and more. Dashboards. Combine multiple visuals into interactive dashboards. You can set up filters, parameters, and controls to enable dynamic data exploration. 4. Automation and scheduling. Data refresh. Schedule automatic data refreshes to keep your reports and dashboards up to date. You can configure refresh intervals based on your needs. Alerts. Set up alerts to be notified of specific conditions or thresholds in your data. 5. Sharing and collaboration. Sharing. Share dashboards and reports with others in your organization. You can control access permissions to ensure the right people see the right data. Embedding. QuickSight allows you to embed dashboards and reports into applications, websites, or portals for broader accessibility. Advanced data analysis with QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight offers several advanced data analysis capabilities that can enhance how you explore and interpret your data. Here's a deeper dive into some of these advanced features. 1. ML Insights. Autonarratives. QuickSight automatically generates natural language explanations of your data trends and anomalies, making it easier to understand complex data without deep statistical knowledge. Forecasting. Use machine learning models to predict future values based on historical data trends. This can be useful for sales projections, demand forecasting, and other predictive analytics. 2. Advanced visualizations. Custom visualizations. Create and integrate custom visualizations using the QuickSight SDK. This allows you to extend the default visualization options with unique charts and graphs tailored to your needs. Interactive dashboards. Build dashboards with interactive elements such as filters, drill downs, and parameter controls, enabling users to explore data at different levels of granularity. 3. Advanced data transformations. Spice Engine. QuickSight's in-memory calculation engine, SPICE, superfast, parallel, in-memory calculation engine, allows for fast querying and analysis of large datasets. It supports complex calculations and aggregations with high performance. Calculated fields create custom metrics and dimensions using calculated fields. This includes operations like aggregations, string manipulations, and date functions. 4. Data preparation and integration. Data blending. Combine data from multiple sources within QuickSight to create comprehensive analysis. This is useful for integrating data from different departments or systems. Custom SQL. Write custom SQL queries to fetch and manipulate data before it's ingested into QuickSight. This gives you control over the exact data that's pulled into your analysis. 5. Security and access control. Row-level security. Implement row-level security to restrict access to data based on user roles or attributes. This ensures that users only see data they're authorized to view. Data encryption. Data in QuickSight is encrypted both in transit and at rest, ensuring that sensitive information is protected. 6. Integration with other AWS services. AWS Glue. Use AWS Glue to catalog and prepare your data for analysis in QuickSight. It helps with data discovery, schema inference, and ETL processes. Amazon Redshift Spectrum. Query data directly from S3 using Redshift Spectrum without having to load it into a data warehouse. This can be useful for large-scale data analysis. 7. Advanced analytics functions. R and Python integration. Use R and Python scripts within QuickSight to perform advanced statistical analysis and machine learning tasks. This integration allows for more complex data manipulations and model building. Custom aggregations and metrics. Define custom aggregations and metrics beyond standard options to fit specific analytical needs. Security and access management in QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight offers several features and controls to ensure security and manage access effectively. Here's a comprehensive overview of its security and access management capabilities. 1. User authentication and access control. IAM integration. QuickSight integrates with AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM) to control access. You can use IAM policies to grant or restrict permissions for accessing QuickSight resources. Single sign-on. SSO. QuickSight supports SSO through SAML 2.0, allowing users to authenticate using their organization's identity provider. This can streamline access management and enhance security by leveraging existing authentication mechanisms. User and group management. Within QuickSight, you can create and manage users and groups. You can assign roles and permissions at the account, analysis, and dashboard levels. 2. Data security. Data encryption. QuickSight ensures data encryption in transit using TLS, Transport Layer Security. Data at rest is encrypted using AWS-managed encryption keys. Additionally, you can use your own encryption keys via AWS Key Management Service, KMS, for extra security. Data sources security. When connecting to data sources, QuickSight supports secure connections using SSL TLS. You can also configure data source credentials securely and manage them through IAM. Row-level security. QuickSight offers row-level security to control which data is visible to different users. You can define rules and filters that restrict data access based on user attributes or roles. 3. Access controls. Permissions management. Access to dashboards, analysis, and datasets can be controlled through permissions. You can set permissions at various levels, including the account, analysis, and dashboard levels, to ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive information. Sharing and collaboration. You can share dashboards and analysis with specific users or groups. Access controls can be fine-tuned to limit editing or viewing capabilities. Audit logs. QuickSight provides audit logs to track user activity and access. These logs can be integrated with AWS CloudTrail for detailed monitoring and compliance. 4. Compliance and governance. Compliance certifications. QuickSight complies with various industry standards and certifications, including GDPR, HIPAA, and more, depending on your AWS region. Governance. You can enforce governance policies and manage access through AWS organizations and AWS Service Control Policies, SCPs, ensuring consistent and compliant access controls across your AWS environment. 5. Best practices. Least privilege principle. Apply the principle of least privilege by granting users only the permissions they need to perform their tasks. Regularly review and adjust permissions to reflect changes in roles or responsibilities. Monitor and audit. Regularly monitor user activity and access through audit logs and CloudTrail. Implement alerts and reviews to detect and respond to unauthorized access or anomalies. Secure data connections. Use secure methods for data connections and ensure that sensitive data is encrypted both in transit and at rest. Performance optimization tips for QuickSight. Optimizing performance in Amazon QuickSight can significantly improve your experience, especially when dealing with large datasets and complex visualizations. Here are some tips to enhance QuickSight performance. 1. Optimize datasets. Reduce data volume. Use filters to limit the amount of data ingested. Apply filters in the data source or dataset configuration to fetch only relevant data. Aggregate data. Pre-aggregate data where possible to reduce the volume of data that needs to be processed during analysis. Optimize data source queries. Ensure that queries to data sources are optimized. This can involve indexing, partitioning, and optimizing SQL queries if using relational databases. 2. Efficient use of data prep features. Use Spice wisely. Amazon QuickSight's Spice, superfast, parallel, in-memory calculation engine, is designed for performance. Load data into Spice to speed up queries and analysis. However, be mindful of Spice capacity limits. Refresh data regularly. Schedule regular data refreshes to keep data up to date without manual intervention while balancing performance impacts. 3. Design efficient dashboards. Limit the number of visuals. Avoid adding too many visuals to a single dashboard. Each visualization incurs additional processing time and can impact overall performance. Use filters wisely. employ dashboard level and visual level filters to reduce the amount of data processed and displayed. This can help with faster rendering and interactivity. Optimize calculations. Use calculated fields efficiently. Minimize the number of complex calculations and aggregations performed within QuickSight. 4. Improve data loading and query performance. Use direct query mode for larger datasets where SPICE might not be sufficient. Use direct query mode. This queries the data source directly but ensure that the source is optimized for performance. Leverage caching. QuickSight caches frequently accessed data. Ensure your dashboards and reports leverage this feature effectively to improve loading times. 5. Monitor and manage performance. Analyze performance metrics. Regularly review performance metrics and logs available in QuickSight to identify and address performance bottlenecks. Optimize resource usage. Regularly review and adjust the resource allocation in SPICE to align with your data and user needs. 6. Best practices for data sources. Optimize data model. Ensure that the data model used in your source system is optimized for performance, with appropriate indexing and efficient schema design. Use incremental refreshes for large datasets. Configure incremental data refreshes instead of full refreshes to reduce load times and improve efficiency. 7. User management. Control user access. Restrict access to sensitive data and high-traffic dashboards to avoid unnecessary load and potential security risks. Leveraging machine learning insights in QuickSight. Leveraging machine learning insights in Amazon QuickSight can significantly enhance your data analysis and visualization capabilities. Here's how you can effectively integrate and use machine learning (ML) insights within QuickSight. 1. Using Amazon QuickSight ML Insights. Amazon QuickSight offers built-in ML Insights features that allow you to incorporate machine learning capabilities directly into your visualizations without needing to be an ML expert. Key features include AutoML Insights. QuickSight can automatically analyze your data and provide insights such as anomaly detection, forecasting, and correlation analysis. This can help you quickly identify trends and anomalies in your data. Anomaly detection. Automatically detect anomalies in your data visualizations to identify unusual patterns or outliers that may warrant further investigation. Forecasting. Use historical data to predict future trends. QuickSight can apply machine learning models to your data to forecast future values, helping you with planning and decision-making. Trend analysis. Identify and visualize trends in your data. ML algorithms can help surface patterns that might not be immediately obvious. 2. Integrating external ML models. If you have custom ML models developed using services like Amazon SageMaker, you can integrate these with QuickSight. Amazon SageMaker integration. You can use SageMaker to build, train, and deploy ML models. QuickSight can then connect to these models via APIs or data sources to include predictions and insights in your dashboards. Data preparation. Ensure your data is pre-processed and prepared for ML models. QuickSight can connect to various data sources, allowing you to integrate your data with ML models seamlessly. 3. Embedding ML insights into dashboards. Visualization widgets. Use QuickSight's visualization tools to embed ML insights such as forecasts, anomaly scores, and trend lines directly into your dashboards. This helps in making data-driven decisions based on advanced analytics. Dynamic analysis. Create interactive dashboards where users can dynamically adjust parameters or inputs and see how ML insights change in real time. This enhances exploratory data analysis. 4. Automating reports and alerts. Automated reports. Schedule regular reports that include ML insights, ensuring that stakeholders receive up-to-date information and predictions without manual intervention. Alerts and notifications. Set up alerts based on ML insights, such as anomaly detection or threshold breaches. QuickSight can notify you when significant changes or trends are detected. 5. Best practices. Validate model performance. Regularly evaluate the performance of your ML models to ensure they are providing accurate and useful insights. Adjust the models as necessary based on performance metrics. User training. Educate users on interpreting ML insights and how to leverage them for decision-making. This ensures that the insights provided are effectively utilized. Data privacy and security. Ensure that data used in ML models complies with privacy regulations and is securely managed, especially when dealing with sensitive information. Why choose ProExcellency for Amazon QuickSight online training? ProExcellency is a well-regarded choice for Amazon QuickSight online training for several reasons. Expert instructors. They offer training from experienced professionals who have in-depth knowledge of Amazon QuickSight and its various features. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training covers all essential aspects of QuickSight, including data visualization, dashboard creation, data analysis, and integrating with other AWS services. Hands-on learning. The training often includes practical, hands-on exercises that allow you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. Flexibility. Online training provides flexibility to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule, which is ideal for professionals with busy schedules. Support and resources. ProExcellency typically offers additional resources such as documentation, video tutorials, and support forums to help you succeed in your learning journey. Certification preparation. If you're looking to get certified, their training might also include preparation for Amazon QuickSight certifications, helping you to validate your skills. Positive reviews. They often have positive reviews from past students, which can provide confidence in the quality and effectiveness of their training programs. Thank you.